In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable and disable autofill in Chrome. To get started, open Google Chrome on your device. Make sure you're on the main browser window so you can easily access the settings menu. This process is very quick, and once you know where these options are, you can return to them anytime you want to update how Chrome handles saved information. Once Chrome is open, look to the top right corner of the browser window and click the three-dot menu. This is where Chrome keeps many of its main controls and settings. After clicking it, a drop-down menu will appear. From there, select Settings to open Chrome's Settings page. When you're in Settings, find and click Autofill and Passwords. This section contains the tools Chrome uses to manage saved passwords, payment details, addresses, and other information that can automatically fill into websites and forms. If your goal is to control how Chrome saves and uses password-related information, this is the section you need. Next, click Google Password Manager. This will open the area where Chrome manages password-saving features and sign-in behavior. Inside Google Password Manager, click Settings. Here you'll see the key options related to saving passwords and signing in automatically. Look for the setting called Offer to Save Passwords and Passkeys. If you want Chrome to ask whether it should save your login details for websites in the future, toggle this option on. If you'd prefer Chrome not to prompt you to save passwords or passkeys, toggle it off instead. This is useful if you want more privacy on a shared computer, or if you simply prefer entering and managing your login details manually. You'll also see the Sign in Automatically option. If this setting is turned on, Chrome can automatically sign you in to supported websites using saved credentials. If you want a faster and more seamless sign-in experience, leave it on. If you'd rather review your login details each time before entering a site, toggle it off. This can give you a little more control, especially if more than one person uses the same device. After making your changes, there's usually no need to save anything manually. Chrome updates these settings right away. That's all it takes to enable or disable autofill-related password features in Chrome. Thanks for watching, and now you know exactly where to go whenever you want to adjust these settings again.